So I've always wanted to do this, start one of my videos with the camera in front of me, with the microphone in my hand, and with some lights in the background, because recently I've been watching a YouTuber and he's always doing. But anyway, welcome back to the channel guys. If you have not already, hit the subscribe button, and in today's video we are just basically going to do photography again. Yes, I am obsessed with photography. I think photography is a really good thing for me, don't you think? What we are going to be doing today is that we're going to be going to an abandoned railway tracks or train tracks, which is abandoned. I know, I love abandoned themes. I just love it. I don't know why, but I just love it. But today we are, yes, going to abandoned railway tracks. Basically my plan is that if you get a hood, no, the ones with the hood, a jacket with a hood on top, preferably a zip up one, so it works better. I've tried it with a normal hood and like a hoodie, not the zipper one, just one that goes over your head, and it doesn't seem to work. But basically we're going to get a hoodie, a zip up one, and we're going to go to the abandoned railway tracks, and then we're going to like grab our hood and like open it up, take another photo after that, and where I'm like posing. So then what I'm going to do with the one photo of me opening up my hoodie is I'm going to lay my my other one where I'm like posing inside of my hood. So I'm going to black out my hood, then put that photo in it. So we're going to be doing that, and then maybe just do some normal shots of me just on the side a little bit. So let's pause the video here for 1 second. I would like to tell you guys that I officially do now have Twitter. If you guys would like to follow me on Twitter, I will tweet out when I upload it on YouTube, or when I need you guys help on some YouTube ideas, or it's just the best way for you guys to talk to me if you need me. So do make sure to follow me on Twitter. It will be linked in the description below. If you guys would like to follow me on anything else like Instagram, I do upload on Instagram my photography photos and etc. It will be on screen or in the link description below. So without further ado, let's unpause the video and enjoy. So without further ado, I'm gonna show everything that I'm gonna take with me in my bag. So let's hop over to the bed. So what I'm going to be taking with me on this photo shoot is my bag, so then I can put everything else inside. Truth be told, I do need a bigger bag so I can actually take all this stuff with me, but I'm going to be shoving in my tripod. This is the very big tripod that I always use. But yeah, I'm going to be taking this one so that can go in my bag, but we're also going to be taking my drone so I can get some nice B-roll for you guys. Then I'm going to be taking this camera with me that I'm currently using. So I believe it's like a half an hour walk to the abandoned train track. Yeah, half an hour journey there, and then what, 8 hours worth of shooting time. Yeah, I'm going to pack all this stuff up and then abandoned railway tracks. I think this is going to be my location. It's literally a canal, because that's like the water end, then surrounded by trees. These are actually an abandoned railway track. So I think if I carry on all the way down there, then I think there's train tracks down there. Hopefully there's symmetry. So yeah, and if you carry on to the other way of there, yeah, there's the water. There's some, wherever they are. Then look, there's some white things over there and another white thing over there. So yeah, I'm going to carry on down there, but first I think I want to send up my drone and scout this place out and get some B-roll for you guys. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to set up the drone, then we'll fly it down. We carry on heading down that way. Oh yes, and there's also down the other way there's like tunnels with graffiti on there, so that'd be a nice photo shoot just for me. So yeah, send up the drone, then we'll see what we can do. in and I found these wooden planks, and they look like to be railway tracks. Then if you go a little bit further, you can actually see the railway tracks right there. But also, there's just a random horse in a random field, and I feel kind of sorry for it. So we're gonna carry on walking. Railway tracks. So I'm hoping there's some that's like this, but on the other side as well. And it is symmetrical. The two things on the side, then you just got this grubble there. Yeah, carry on. Let's see what I find out. So I walked like all that distance, and then there's just a pile of rocks. But if you carry on down there, it's just literally a dead end. So basically, Google Maps lied to me. But I thought if I sat there, placed my camera there, this is like a radiator here, I don't know why, but placed my tripod there, I sat there, I think that'd be a nice photo for me. So I'm going to carry on heading back down to them, well, half railway tracks. So, and I can tell you now, this is going to be a complete failure for what I'm trying to do. Or not. Actually, I just got a brilliant idea. So my idea is that you have a long railway track that's been covered up. Well, basically, what I'm going to be doing is that if I pull up my hood, and then if I stand back, then the camera's going to take the shot. I'm going to be like there, ripping like my hoodie. I'm going to take a picture like that. Then I'm going to take another picture of me somewhere over there, posing. So then later in Photoshop, I can then actually mask out my hood and put that photo of me posing over there inside of my hood. So it's gonna be sick. So I need to take the photos. And it's getting very late. I think it's like 7:30 or something, and it's dropping dark, and my hair's a mess. So we need to hurry up with these photos, and let's do it. So we took the photos that we currently need. We took the photos by the log, then we took the photos by the log floor, then we took the photos of the hood one. So now all what's left is for me to go all the way back down there to the graffiti tunnel, then take some photos there, then take some more drone B-roll, and then we can go home because it's getting late. So it's a couple of days later, and I've edited all the photos. So like again before, we're gonna be showing the unedited versions, then the edited. Kicking it off with this one. You see me just with a normal hood on, me just ripping it open, and then you've got the edited version, which is kind of cool because it's the exact same photo, but it's just that I'm not even there. And what actually makes it a little bit better is that the blackness around the photo on the outside of my hood, I think that gives it a little bit more depth, I guess, or something like that. So it actually looks like it's actually inside my hood rather than filling my hood. So then let's jump over to the next, which is, well, my original idea. Yeah, so you got me posing in my hood. It's just, yeah, actually a little tip. I actually went back in once I edited all of these and cleaned up the whole of the background, because it was an actual tip over there. Like, there's a lot of rubbish over there, to be fair. But what I mean, it's abandoned. It's abandoned for a reason, right? It's just me zipped up my hoodie and just me looking down at the floor. Simple. Then you got me again with my Gym King coat on. Me looking at the factories, because there was actually factories along the. So I'm gonna show you guys the photos that I took on this side. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and there is more photography things down the line for this channel, so